Welcome to qnawire.
We're being asked to factor the given trinomial. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is rearrange my terms so my powers of t go in descending order. So in other words, I'm going to write 15t squared first, then positive 16t, and then my constant minus 15. Now let's try and factor. Well, what we're going to do first is look for a greatest common factor, but there is none. So because it's a trinomial, if this factors, it's going to factor into two binomials. Now, our first terms have to multiply to this first term of 15t squared. So my factors of 15 are 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. So just by looking at my middle term of 16, I have a feeling I'm not going to end up using 1 and 15. So I'm going to try 3t and 5t. And then my last terms have to multiply to our constant term of negative 15. So again, our factors can be 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. Now remember, when we then multiply the outside by the inside terms, we need to get this positive term in the middle, okay? So now I can try any combination of these values, okay? So I'm just going to stick with 3 and 5 because in my gut, that feels like something's going to work. And I'm going to use negative 3 and positive 5. So let's say in my first factor, I use positive 5, and in the second factor, I use negative 3. Well, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, so we know that would work, but we have to check the outside and inside terms. Well, our outside terms would be 3t times negative 3, which is negative 9t, and the inside terms are 5 times 5t, which is positive 25t. Well, negative 9t plus 25t is 16t. Perfect, this works out. And now we have factored our original trinomial into two binomials.